Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee has announced her upcoming North American tour. The tour, which is in support of her debut album Gifted, is scheduled to kick off in Seattle on April 11. The Gifted tour will also feature Nigerian singer Ira Star and reggae singer Buju Banton. The Rapture singer last week announced her debut album Gifted and is gearing up to release her track Pull Up. She shared a snippet of the video on her social media account. Pull Up will be released this Thursday. Now, the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, has announced that the public will be able to say their final farewell to late reggae musician and record producer Robbie Shakespeare. Minister Grange, who is handling the arrangements in collaboration with the Shakespeare family, said the public will be able to view the body of the late reggae icon on Sunday, February 6 at the National Indoor Sports Centre. She also added that this is an appropriate way to allow our people to express their appreciation for this talented musician while observing the necessary health and safety protocols. The funeral service and interment will all be attended by close family and friends of the reggae legend. Now, the annual Reggae Month celebration was launched yesterday at the Go for God Family Church in Kingston. The event saw key government officials and reggae industry stakeholders in attendance, including Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport Olivia Grange. The launch featured performances from the Go for God Music Ministry. February was officially declared Reggae Month in 2008. The month highlights and celebrates the impact of the musical genre in Jamaica's social, cultural and economic development. Now, Barbadian singer, fashion designer and business mogul Rihanna and her boyfriend, the rapper A$AP Rocky, broke the internet this morning after it was revealed that the two are expecting their first child together. The couple was photographed out in New York City over the weekend, where Rihanna debuted her baby bump while dressed in a long pink jacket. The news comes 2 years after the two ignited dating rumors following years of friendship. Their relationship was officially confirmed in November of 2020. I'm Daedra Gordon reporting for ePrime.